Hi, and welcome to another Vivid Merchant tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be exploring the Customer Vault functionality of the Merchant portal. If you go to the Customer Vault tab, you'll see a database of saved customers with their contact and payment information. By adding customers to the vault, you can quickly complete orders on the virtual terminal or better assign customers to recurring payments. To create a new customer profile, navigate to the top right of the page and click on the Create button. In this tutorial, we'll be creating a new customer profile. First, select the business you'll be creating this profile under. Next, fill out all applicable customer information. If certain fields are unknown, like customer ID or their company, you can always come back and edit these sections later. Once all known fields have been filled out, you can now save the customer. From here, you'll be brought to the customer detail page where all customer information will be shown. On this page, you can add card details and payment information. You can also add billing addresses and shipping addresses. Over time, if the customer's information changes, you can always come back to this page and edit it. Now, if we go back to our main customer vault, we can see our new customer Jackson has been added. Thank you.